My dad just suggested that I vlog myself making hamburgers for the family. Like I'm gonna do that. Hi. What's up guys, it's me Kayla, again with a brand new YouTube video, and today I have my sister Maya. And today we're gonna be making hamburgers for the entire family. This video was suggested by my dad, so shout out to you. Here's the thing, I don't really know how to cook, so just in case. Fire extinguisher. Okay, did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, look how good that looks. Makes me just want to eat it right now. For the seasonings, you know, because we're black, we don't like anything unseasoned. But for the seasonings, we have some garlic salt, some parsley, some slap your mama. Now, do I suggest slapping your mom? Absolutely not. If I slapped my mom, she would knock me into next Tuesday. But anyways.
What things are? Kayla!
Peppa Pig. This looks like I just grounded up Peppa Pig's insides. Mom, how do you know if it's good enough? Do you eat it? Do you eat it? What do you?
Raw meat?
I mean, how do you know if it's seasoned enough?
Do you smell it? I don't do this cooking stuff. I have no idea what this is. Oh, you know what? This sounds like slime. Wow.
Are you salted?
Is this too? Does this make your hands itch? This is making my hands itch.
You're wrong.
Like I'm having an allergic reaction to the seasoning. It's itchy. I can't be allergic to seasoning. I'm black. I think what we do now is we need assistance. My fingers are burning. They're burning. I feel like that's not a normal reaction to have when making burgers. Oh, radio. I'm Radio Rebel. I'm Radio Rebel.
I'm gonna put my fat, juicy, delicious looking burgers
onto the thing. Anyways, guys, so welcome to the vlog. This is how Oreos look before they're put in Oreo form. I'm just kidding. Don't quote me on that. This is basically like who. Anyways, now that she's gone, this is basically like whose burger is gonna taste better, and I'm gonna have my family taste it. On the next Charlie, I can do it so much better. Mom, if we became famous off of this video, would you be in the next one? Are you serious? Let's say in the video. Guys, if this video goes viral, my mom will be in the next cooking video. So make that happen. So far, we haven't burned anything. That's pretty good. Stop it. You're gonna hurt yourself. Let me do it.
I watch one.
Don't put your finger in my face. Don't put your finger in my face. Do not yell at me. Do not yell at me.
I was 6 when I did this. And now I'm a first person.
Do not put your finger in my face.
I will.
I will think I am joking. I will throw a potato at you. I'm Kim Kardashian West, and something you guys didn't know about me is that I'm really good at cooking. Oh my god, you're so
Let me
slow.
hold it. No, that was a trick.
Ow! Don't be so angry. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath. See how quiet you became?
Oh my god. Kayla, look.
What?
Potato. It's stuck to death.
Maya, stop it.
I'm bored.
I'm bored in the house and I'm in a house bored. I feel like I'm working on the Krusty Krab. Oh my gosh, we have buns, so it can't be like a Krabby Patty. We need to cut tomatoes. Look what I did to the fries.
You burned them.
I'm gonna start making my Krabby Patties. Then we have some buns to really make it look like a Krabby Patty. Some of mine have cheese on them, some of them don't. And then I cut up some pickles and I cut up some tomatoes to really give it that
Krabby Patty look.
Okay guys, so I forgot to film an outro with Maya, but I will say our burgers came out very well. I'm very happy how me and Maya's burgers came out. I definitely believe that we can take over the Krusty Krab with our delicious patties. SpongeBob could never, Gordon Ramsay could never. Our burgers came out very well, at least. Well, yeah, my mom ate our burgers and she thought they were good. I ate the burgers and I thought they were good. Like, I'm full. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below if you guys want me to make this like a whole series, or if you want me to, like, what should I call this, because I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Let me know if you want me to, like, what specific things you guys want me to cook. I'm willing to take requests. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.